Navigating the Resignation Process, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for both employees and employers alike: the resignation process. Understanding how to properly resign from a job is crucial for maintaining professional relationships and ensuring a smooth transition for both parties. Whether you're thinking about leaving your job or just curious about the process, this video is for you. Let's get started. Resignation is the formal act of leaving your job or position. It's a voluntary decision made by the employee. It's important to approach this process with professionalism and courtesy, as it reflects on your character and can impact future job opportunities. The key to a smooth resignation is clear communication and following the proper procedures outlined by your employer. Before you announce your resignation, there are a few steps you should consider. 1. Reflect on your decision. Make sure resigning is truly what you want. Consider the pros and cons, and how it will affect your career and personal life. 2. Review your contract. Look for any clauses related to notice periods or confidentiality. This ensures you comply with all legal requirements. 3. Prepare a transition plan. Think about how you can help your employer manage your departure. This might include training a replacement or documenting your work. A resignation letter is a formal way to communicate your decision to leave. It should be concise and include the following: a statement of your intention to resign, your proposed last day of work, considering any notice period required by your contract, a brief mention of your reason for leaving, optional, a thank you to your employer for the opportunities provided, an offer to assist with the transition. Remember to keep the tone professional and positive. It's best practice to first inform your manager or supervisor of your decision in person, if possible, before submitting your resignation letter. Here are some tips for the meeting. Choose an appropriate time. Find a quiet moment to have the conversation, avoiding stressful periods for the team. Be direct but courteous. State your decision clearly and express your gratitude for the opportunity. Discuss next steps. Talk about your notice period and how you plan to help with the transition. Once you've submitted your resignation, focus on ending on a high note. Fulfill your notice period with professionalism, continuing to perform your duties effectively. Assist in the transition by training your replacement or documenting processes. Stay positive and avoid speaking negatively about your employer or colleagues. Resigning from a job is a significant step in your career journey. By approaching the resignation process with professionalism and preparation, you can ensure a smooth transition and maintain positive relationships in your professional network. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.